Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys can tell by the title of the video, day-to-day analysis on the price of Pepe. You guys are absolutely killing it with the support. Continue supporting and you will continue to see these updates that I'm bringing you guys. So, Friday, as you guys know, we are obviously, approaching Saturday morning, but I discussed something specific yesterday in our update, how I wanted Friday to go. And let's be honest, Friday went exactly as I wanted Friday to go. Bitcoin performed really good. And, we're looking really, really good as far as the entire market is concerned. You're looking at the overall market continuously, going towards the upside. We're still seeing Pepe lagging behind BTC right now, down 1%. With the price currently sitting at 1007, still about 4 zeros in front of the price, down 1.1% as mentioned in USD comparative, also Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative. So, we're really, really seeing the price of Pepe staying above, this 1007 mark, especially keeping these 4 zeros. So that is, of course, really nice to see. If we're looking at the market cap, on the other hand, about $4.23 billion with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 689.3 million. So, what we can see is over the past few days, we are seeing the 24-hour trading volume dropping for Pepe because, like I said, Pepe had that head start while majority of the market was still lagging behind. And honestly, towards a downwards trend over the past few days, you did see Pepe starting to make its move towards the upside. So, let's face that, profit taking is definitely happening. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. All right, holder count. So if we're looking at the holder count, it's continuously increasing day by day. We're approaching that 220,000 holders. Obviously, that is a really, really big number. So that's nice to see, as always. But we would really want to be taking a look at the overall meme coin market combined today. A lot of interesting things happening. So of course, the market cap combined around $57 billion almost. But you're seeing a lot of meme coins across the board picking up traction, especially the small caps. That's what I've noticed recently. The small cap projects that really didn't move are picking up. And they're picking up quite substantially. But you're seeing still over the last 7 days, if you're pretty much looking across the board, even with Pepe, we are seeing quite a bit of green across the board. So we will definitely take that. As of now, besides Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, there's still no one that comes close to Pepe's market cap. So it still has that head start, to get to that $5 billion market cap plus. So obviously that is a huge plus point to note. But that can't stop one of these boys down here to really start rallying and start heading towards the upsides. We will see what happens. But as of now, Pepe, of course, has a unique narrative. It's a frog coin. Obviously a lot of excitement for that. But I asked you guys just yesterday, you guys can see this for yourself. Shout out to you guys for really taking your time out to vote. You can see I asked, do we close the month on a bullish or a bearish note? And about 82% out of the 1,500 votes that have come in are rooting for, bullish closeout for the month. And obviously, I think I am leaning towards this as well. But let's take a look at what's happening with BTC dominance, around 55.7%. Not much has happened on that end. But look at what happened with Bitcoin. Look at what happened with Bitcoin. Exactly the target that we spoke about yesterday has been reached, and that's exact same resistance is coming in its way. But what a beautiful way to close out Friday, guys. This is what you want to be seeing. And honestly, this is setting up a great move for the weekend. Obviously, we do tend to see more manipulation than usual on the weekend, but I think the following week we could see Bitcoin having a great week ahead. Obviously, closing out the month of May. So that is going to be really exciting to see. But if you're looking at Pepe, like I've mentioned, it's holding at this support, really strongly. You guys can see this for yourself. It's not budging, and that's what you want to be seeing. Obviously, a lot of people, are looking at some of these other coins right now across the market and saying, "Hi, Crypto ZX, why is Pepe not moving?" Well, guess what? If Pepe is the only coin that you have in your portfolio, even though Pepe has absolutely been killing it, I think you're doing completely something wrong. You'll always want to diversify your portfolio for times like these because, let's face it, there will come a time where a certain project moves better than another one. So in our case, there's some coins that are popping off right right now outpacing Pepe, but prior to that, you were seeing Pepe really having that traction on its side. So, once you start realizing this, once you start realizing the potential of the diversification, how that minimizes your risk factor and, of course, maximizes your growth potential, it just changes everything. So, I would strongly encourage you guys to diversify your portfolio and lock those profits in if you're seeing those profits, because let's face it, there's a lot of people that have been picking up Pepe throughout the course of last year, and those people are up like 700-800%, and those are some crazy life-changing numbers, guys. So it's never too late to lock those profits in. But if you're looking at the price of Pepe right now, so far so good. Let's face it, a lot of support around here, not much has changed, but the main resistance that you want to be looking at right now is around the 1029 zone. I don't think it's going to have a hard time breaking out of here, but I'm liking this consolidation. But with that said, pay very close attention to BTC. Those earlier targets that we spoke about, especially around this 9551, that's a realistic target, as well as the 9193 if we are able to lose this support. So keep that in mind. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.